Hello, my beautiful people. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. I'm fine too. Okay, today I want to talk about ladies, those single ladies out there. Okay, for one, ladies are known to be the best. They are known to be the best people out there. They have the best heart. Of course, mommy has to be the very best kwa watoi wake. Okay, in short, ladies are known to be the strongest creatures ever in the world. Men, you should respect these ladies out there. Remember, this woman, may it be your mom, may it be your sister, may it be your cousin, whoever she is, as long as she's a woman, respect her. Because for one, okay, for those who have given birth already, they know what people go through in the labor pain. Yeah, those ladies have gone a lot of pains, heartbreak when they're on their menstruation periods. They still go a lot, but they still endure the pain. Actually, the woman will never give up. They will never give up, no matter what. We have this group of single ladies out there, men surely wenye mulizalisha wanawake like uko nje, then you left this woman to bring the child by herself or alone. Remember, there is something we call judgment. You will be judged one day because this lady, struggle. She has done everything for her to give the best to her not siblings really, but to her young ones. Men, not even men, actually everybody out there, you should respect this single mom, because this mom pays all the bills by herself. 80%, by the way, they don't depend on any man. Reason being, they are women of empowerment. They want to be, and they want to give out the best to their kids. They don't want to rely on anybody out there because they are the strongest. They are the best moms. Then wewe mwanaume unakuja kwa life ya huyu mwanamke, unapata fanya everything by herself. Actually, she's paying bills, school fees, everything by herself. Then wewe you pretend to be loving her, but yet for sure you don't love this woman ile upendo ukweli. You just want to use her. You just want to, unataka tu kuongezea uchungu ingine on top of another pain. You pretend to be loving her, but actually you don't. You just want to use her. By the way, men wanataka tu sex, nothing else they need from ladies. It's only sex, and it's only I'm sorry to say this, but yule tu mwanamke haelewi what is happening kwa ground, ndo ata give in to this man, amtumie, then the man goes away. These ladies are going through a lot in life, but they don't show what they are going through. They wanaumia inside. Some are going through trauma, others are going through depression, stress, and it is triggered by what happened in their previous relationship. May it be marriage, ama hiyo friendship tu ulikuwa na yeye na huyo mwanamume akakudanganya, ukapata tu kona ball na the man akaruka hii mimba akasema not me, I'm not ready to be a father. Because actually a lot of men out there Akishapata huu dem, ashapata mimba na sitaki, I'm not ready for now because of the economy. They complain about the economy. Anasema no, not me. Mutiso sio mimi. Njoroge, Kamau, si mimi. Sitalea hiyo mimba. Na sitaki kuwa baby daddy. By all means, by all chances, nitaambia huyu dem atoe mimba. Kama hataki basi, hapambane na hali yake. And because of these good heart women, sisi tumepewa na God. Unasema no. If my mom never aborted me, who am I to abort my own child? Huyu mwanaume anasonga, anakanyaga kubwa, but this woman ana remain kuwa strong, analea mimba yake, anazaa mtoto. Yani these ladies, they will fight for their kids like a lioness, for them to have education, to have something on the table for them to eat. By all means, she will give the best to her kids. She will be the best mommy to protect her kids. The way venye like her chicken protects her chicks. Anawakava hivi usiku wasipigwe na baridi. This mommy is there to protect watoi wake. Because huku nje kuna huyu mwanaume atijua amezaa na wewe. Every weekend ana demand kuona mtoi. Men sometimes I don't know nyinyi ni hooligans because una demand kuona mtoi, hata ujui pampers anatoa wapi, ujui maziwa kwa hiyo nyumba inaonekanaje ya mtoi, ujui uji inatoka wapi, then wewe uko hapo unasema ati weekend lazima niletewe mtoi, sijui nini. Aki wale wanawake sometimes try kufanya co-parenting. Sijui mwanaume anakaaje because co-parenting it's not easy by the way as people out there think it isn't. Respect these single ladies out there. They work extra hard day and night. Dem atafanya anything out there as long as si kitu mbaya, haita affect watoi wake ama mtoi wake. Atafanya anything tu ili mtoi wake akuwe sawa, akuwe na maisha mzuri, akuwe na best life. Because wewe uliamua hautalea mtoi. Uliamua you're not ready to be a father and you've just walked away. Then surprisingly, mtoi the moment amemaliza zinaitwa grade what? Hizo I think grade 6 ama 7. Ameenda JSS, that is junior secondary. Wewe na miguu zako sasa unakuja unasema hey sister, unajuaje mimi nadai mtoi wangu? Na wewe with all your 6 senses haujailipia huyo mtoi school fees, lakini because sasa umeona amesha grow, ameshakuwa big man, unakuja sasa ati you need mtoi. Mimi siwezi lelea mwanaume mtoto. After nimemaliza kusomesha mtoi ati wewe unakuja una complain now you're demanding ati unataka mtoi. I can't even explain it cause mimi siwezi peana mtoi wangu kwa mwanaume after nimelea. No. Huko nje you saw me like I wasn't important in your life. I wasn't worthy to be your wife maybe. Ama I wasn't worthy to be your mom's kid. Na ukanitupa nje. So after prosper, after everything has been now good, it's now you're coming out of the blues. Wewe kijana wa wenyewe mimi nitakumwagia maji moto cause I won't tolerate nonsense from you. Mtoi kwanza, I love to teach him or her. Babako alikukata ukiwa 1 month when I was 1 month pregnant of you ama after you were born. Sijui wanaume wengine wanatoanga guards wapi. Anakuambia utoe mimba, ukunywe pills, usipate mimba. Mimi I don't know how. If a man loves you anakuambia utumie pills. Na for sure this man anajua the consequences of these pills. I try to think